Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look at the euro currency. Well, as you can see, it really sometimes makes sense to wait a bit, just to not regret about the wrong steps that you could take on the market when you really do not quite understand what is happening. Well, since yesterday market has shown the upward continuation, it has erased our possibility for Gartner's triple to sell, because that was just moved down, ABCD retracement, so that was also 618 resistance of that thrust. Market probably should start move down right from this area if it will be really the triple to sell. But you can see market has continued to move higher. And only on Friday we have guessed about what we will get, some kind of the ABCD continuation, or that will be reversal to the downside or something of that sort. Well, when you take the pause on the market and take no positions, just wait, that is also the part of the trader's work. And you just wait for better situation where you could take the reasonable decision and reasonable position. And what we have currently on the euro currency. First of all, you can see market has tested as the monthly pivot point of the June, as the weekly pivot point of the current week. You can see who's tested, okay, and move up. By the single move up, market has hit the weekly pivot resistance 1. That's rather significant resistance, and we said that that will be our next target. Market has hit it. What we have? Weekly pivot, weekly pivot resistance 1, market stands very close to the daily overbought. And take a look. Market has hit our minor target, minimum target that we have talked about. That is A, B, C bottom, 618 extension. At the same time, based on this pattern, A, B, C bottom, market hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension and stands in fact now between the 100% and 1618 extension. What we should watch for during today's trading session? Our major question right now is whether market will continue to move higher to the 133 target and will give us compounded ABCD shoulder of the weekly head and shoulders pattern. The probability of that is really significant. That's really could happen, especially because the left shoulder of this pattern has the same shape as ABCD pattern. You could see it if you take a look at the weekly time frame. That's why the move to this area is probable. Hence, right around 618, market has hit this target, and a retracement from this target will let us to understand what we will get. Since this is the minor target, market should not show too deep retracement. If market will continue to move lower and break through these pivot points and will show deep retracement, that will put under question the potential continuation, because since that is the minor target, market should not show too significant retracement down. I prefer to see after 618 just 3/8 retracement of that whole move up. If market will show some shallow bounce or tested the monthly pivot point and will stick somewhere around between the pivots, then continue to move higher, that will be normal. But if market will continue to move lower, that will be a worrying sign, and that could tell us that probably the downward action has started. In this case, we could get even the butterfly. I hope you'll see it on the daily time frame. That could be the left wing of the butterfly. That could become the right wing if market will proceed lower. As you can see, the overall setup on the daily time frame in the euro currency is very interesting. Well, what we should do today? If we'll take a look at the forward time frame, we'll get two patterns. That pattern we have discussed already. Here we have got another one. So that was the first our butterfly sell. It was the 127 retracement. That was our brand butter buy pattern. It's retracement down. You can see it has worked. So market has hit the 618 resistance of the whole back move before shows the second dip. So that was the bounce of the bread and butter. And this pattern has worked. Now, what we see here, market has proceeded right to the 1618 extension of this butterfly. So I could draw it. It's a bit different shape, some sort of that kind. You can see this 1618 butterfly. Okay. Now that butterfly, this really was splash move up, really significant move up. So by single candle, market has hit the 127 extension. So you can see this is really a significant resistance cluster. Two targets of the different butterflies. 618 extension of the ABCD pattern and weekly pivot resistance 1. Also that stands very close to the daily overbought. So that's not time to take long right now. At the same time, by looking at this thrusting up to the upside, it's very often happens when the butterfly shows just single move to the 127 extensions. Very often leads to the continuation to the 1618 that stands around 131.35 area. Okay, let's check this. You can see that this is particularly where this 1618 extension target of this ABCD pattern stands and daily overbought. So I can't exclude that market could proceed higher right after some shallow retracement right here. Also you can see bearish divergence with the MACD indicator here. So this combination of the resistance points that some retracement down is possible. But since we said that this is just a minor target on the daily time frame, this retracement should not be too significant. So if we'll take a look at another 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that what level we should watch for. Personally, I like this level. Why? Because 129.88 the major 3-8 support of the whole move up, and I said that after the 618 minor target, market should not show too extended retracement. From that perspective, this level is absolutely suitable. Also take a look, that is also confidence support area, 130.04, 130.06. It's a combination of the different FIB supports. Also take a look that this is monthly pivot point. And what is more significant is that I do not want to see that market will erase this thrusting candle. So if market will move down, taken out of these lows, that will be not quite bullish development. Because when market shows this significant thrusting action and later will erase that, this is very bearish, looks very bearish. That's why this level is very interesting for us in the nearest future, and I think that we should be focused on the potential buy signals around this area. Well, I don't know, maybe market will retest slightly just these levels around 130.45 area, because that's the previous swing high, the middle of this thrusting move. Maybe market will test it and just continue to move high. That is also possible. That will be even better from the bullish perspective. So as usual, that is our major level, major support. That also will be some sort of the edge for the bullish development. Okay, but if you would like to possess on the bullish side and do not want to skip the section to the upside, you could apply as usual the scale in. So take the small position right here and major part if market will continue to this support area right here. One thing that we do not want to see as usual is thrust plunge down as the falling knife to the downside. We do not want to see really long bearish candles that will break all the barriers ahead. We do not see such kind of the price action to the downside. We would like to see some gradual action, gradual retracement. Only if this will be some sort of the choppy action, that will let us to judge about this and say that's probably the retracement. If you'll take a look at the hourly time frame, you'll see it. You can see this now, it looks like rather gradual. So if you will see this, some sort of that action but to the downside, do not take long position. That will tell us that something wrong with this. So keep an eye on this, not only on the levels, but only how market approaches, how market responds on these levels. Maybe market will give us some ABCD, because for instance it hit first support, shallow retracement, ABCD right to this support could give us agreement. That will be even better. So shortly speaking, that's been said that currently market at resistance, it hit the minor target, and we need the dip to buy it, just to enter on the long side of the market. Until this level hold, then we could hope that market will continue to move higher. We would not want to see this level will be broken. So that's two levels to watch for potential bullish positions, and that is our major level. Wait for reaching of this 130 129.88 area. Search for the buy signals around on the lower time frames, on the 15-minute chart maybe, with the attempt to step in on the long side of the market, because current development to the upside looks not bad, and in fact market could continue to move high. If market, as I said, will fall here, will broke these levels and will take out of this low, then probably this could lead to the appearing of the butterfly, and that will put under question with the further upward action. So you can see, if we take the long position here, our risk will not be very significant. Besides, you should act as we always suggest. Since this is rather solid support area, market probably will show the bounce from it. At least minor bounce will let you to put your stop to the break even. Always manage your position. Always keep an eye on it. Do not left it and just forget about it. Any position demands to be managed by the trader. And if market will give you opportunity to protect your position and to place your stop to the break even, if you take the long position and hope that market will continue to move higher, do this, because that will save your money. So be extra careful, wait on the levels and on the nature of the price action, how market approaches to these levels, how it responds on these levels. That all nuances are important currently on the markets, because they are really sophisticated and it's very difficult to trade it right now. So let's see how it will turn. Keep an eye on this level. I hope that we will get the opportunity to trade your currency on the long side of the market.